quick coming to you guys. My Taylor's on the phone. I'm bleaching the knots for the first time. I'm bleaching the knots for the first time. So, like, bear with me if it doesn't turn out right. Bear with me if it does. But I'm about to be a bad bitch for my birthday. So, regardless. And let me check the timer real quick. So, I finished bleaching the knots. I did kind of mess up, but what's to be expected when you do your first time. Whatever. Live and learn. Sue me. I'm gonna dye it jet black with the watercolor method. This hair is from Youth Beauty Hair. It's a 13x4 frontal, and it's 30 inches. So you know I'm gonna be swaying this. So yeah, stay tuned for when I dye it tomorrow and put the frontal. So here, guys, I'm about to do the watercolor method to dye my hair jet black. I accidentally, as you saw before, bleached the knots and the bleach ran through, and that is not cute. We do not want blonde roots, and I've never had jet black hair before, so I wanted to try something new. I used 1.5 bottles of Adore 121 jet black. I watched Ivy, if anybody knows Ivy, and I watched a whole bunch of different YouTubers, and they said like 1.5 bottles should be fine. I wanted it really dark, but I know jet black takes easily, and I took a plastic spoon. Make sure your water is hot, y'all. Like, you don't have to boil it, but make sure your faucet water is hot. And here I am testing it with a paper towel and combing the hair out just to see if it's the color that I want. This hair did take very easily to color. Well, dark color that is. I do want to get another unit from Youth Beauty Hair just to see if it will take like brown or like a reddish brown, just because fall is coming up. We ain't past summer yet, but summer is canceled, as you can see. But here I am just dipping the hair, starting with the ends, just seeing if it's taking the color, and it is, guys. It is really taking the color, and I love it, love it, love it. So as you can see, I'm continuing to dip the hair closer to the frontal. If you want to protect your frontal, I suggest you spray got to be spray on it very generously. It did not dye the lace. And I let it sit in there for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I let the water out. It did stain my sink, so be careful, but nothing some soft scrub can get rid of. I'm using my Mane and Tail shampoo, and I'm just washing the excess color out just to make sure it has shine and luster and no extra dye is still in there. After washing it a couple times, I use my Mane and Tail Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. Love that stuff, guys. It works on natural hair so great. And it brought the curls back, the body wave. And now here I am, just about to pluck the frontal. I already did one side with my Kayla on the phone. And now I'm just testing out the other side. This is my first time plucking a frontal, and I was very scared. The final results, guys, of me plucking the frontal. I plucked. That lace can take some plucking. So don't be scared if you buy this unit to, like, pluck. Because, trust me, I was plucking forever. But it came out so nice. I can't wait to style it on my birthday. Well, on my Kayla's birthday. Her birthday is the 1st, mine is the 2nd. So stay tuned. So the next day I went in with my heat protectant and I began to flatten out the hair. I used an electric hot comb, golden hot, to flatten out the frontal to make it look sleek and realistic looking. So next, I parted the hair into sections, and I used the comb through method to flat iron. This hair was super, super thick. It was 200% or 250% density. I believe it was 250%. So I had to run through the flat iron a couple of times. But yeah, and here's it straightened, guys. I did that for my first time ever straightening and flat ironing some hair. I did that. Nobody could tell me the ends look full. The hair looks full itself. So I'm going to be adding curls to the unit. And yeah. So guys, this is the wig curl. Look at the curls. It's gonna look so bomb, so I'm gonna go and put it on and style it, and I'll be back. So what's poppin', guys? What's goody? This is the hair. I brushed out the curls. I love it so much. Let's get into the details of this hair. So it's 250% density, 30 inches. I dyed it jet black. Absolutely love it from Youth Beauty. Only con though, it does shed a little bit. So while I was combing and like, you know, it's my birthday nails, while I was combing, it was shedding a little bit, but not too much. I mean, I'm new to this, so I don't know really what's the right amount of shedding, but we'll figure it out together. I'm about to go to my Kayla's. Today is her birthday, so we're gonna have a birthday vlog. Please stay tuned. I did my makeup, and yeah, thanks for watching.